Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can auto scroll on YouTube shorts, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go to YouTube, and if you're in the shorts section, there is no certain option like in TikTok for you to auto scroll. And for what you can do for your mobile is you can get a third-party option, which is a third-party app for you to get the feature. Other than that, you can go to your settings, and here in the accessibility section you can go to the voice control section, and you can create a command and a gesture of scrolling upright. Right, once you have created a particular command, you can simply trigger it with your voice command, and the swiping up gesture will be triggered and will be turned on. And when you're watching the shorts and when you say that gesture, it will simply go ahead and start swiping up, and that will simply activate it. So that's how you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.